And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is right now Wednesday, August the 3rd, 2022, 9:31 p.m. Eastern. And the moment has come. My Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has arrived from Fido. And it was a couple of years that I've had the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. And I was due for an upgrade. And Fido gave me a pretty good deal. Basically, the amount I'm paying now per month is the exact same I'm going to be paying per month for this phone, except it's about, I'd say maybe even $5 cheaper a month. The only thing before I unbox this I want to mention is this is my first time unboxing it. The only thing that I haven't included is the actual shipping box that it came in, because it's just a boring cardboard box. But this is going to be my first time opening this, and here we go. Let's see what's inside. And oh, it looks like they sent a SIM card again. And I don't know why, because I could just take the SIM card out of the phone I have now and use that one to put it into this one. I mean, I'm keeping the same number and everything. Yeah, so here's the box that it came in. Very slim. Just for comparison's sake, this is what the S20 Ultra came in. Much bigger box. And we're going to open it up here and take a look for the first time. And I've loosened the siding, the straps a bit. Oh, there she is, look. And I've washed my hands very well before doing this. And I'm always nervous when I first take a phone out of a box. Well, there it is, the actual phone. And it has that plastic screen on it, that plastic film layer, which will come off later. So there's the front. Look at the back. She's beautiful. Look at those cameras. And I want to mention as well that I will do a separate video reviewing the phone, doing a review on the phone. Once I've used it after a while, I will review it. But we have beautiful cameras here. There's your side, very thin. It is a bit heavier than the S20 Ultra. Just by feeling it, I could tell it's heavier, which is fine. There's your bottom, and your charging ports are here. Just try to show you through this little plastic covering. Yeah, there's your charging ports, your SIM card slot. It does not come with an SD card, but it has 256 gigabytes of storage built in. And there's a microphone on the side. And I'll just pause the video because there's something really special about this. This is an S Pen, it's called, and watch this. Alright, so basically you press on the pen. You can hear that clicking sound. Again, I'm recording with one hand, so I can only do so much. But you basically click on that, and there's your pen right there. And your pen basically comes out. Sort of reminds me of the original cell phones, the antenna. When you had that antenna that stuck out of the top before the antennas were built in. So here's your S Pen right here. So this is the S Pen. Basically, it's a pen that you can use on the screen to select certain things. Basically precision guided, I suppose, so if you want to click on a little detail you can. Also, the S Pen is taken from the Note series, the Samsung Galaxy Note series, which has been discontinued, but one could argue that this is basically a hybrid of the Note series and the Samsung Galaxy series. So this is the S Pen. I'm not sure, I don't think there's a real pen built in, but yeah, this is your S Pen. So it's safely tucked away in here. When you're not using it, or you don't want to use it, you just put it back in here, and yeah, carefully press it back into place, and that's pretty much it. Beautiful phone, I can tell you right now, just by looking at this, it's beautiful. So I'm going to put this safely over here, and I'll see what we have here. This is probably just the instruction manual and all that stuff. Again, sorry, I am filming with one hand. Oh, there's your little pick that is used to open the SIM card slot. Like I said, there's no SD card in these phones, no expansion cards, just a SIM card. They don't have expandable memory. I'll hang on, just pause the video for a moment. So yeah, like I said, I'm filming with one hand, so I had to prop this out. Yeah, so this is your little key. Basically, it fits in this hole right here, and you press on that, and your SIM card slot pops out. So this is a tool that's easily lost. I'm gonna keep this somewhere safe because I have a habit of losing these, and it's pretty much impossible to open without that specific tool, unless you have like a sewing needle or something. But I don't suggest that because it's not built for that. I'm gonna open this here, see what's inside. Like I said, probably just a book. Oh, we got a charging cable, which is fine because I have a couple of these already. This is actually one that came with my super fast charger recently. I'm going to plug the phone in a moment into this battery pack here to show you what it looks like when it charges. But yeah, here's a charging cable. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's your box. Yeah, so we'll put this stuff away for now. We'll put it aside safely. And I'll bring the phone over here. And we're going to stick the charger in. And like I said, it's connected to this battery pack here, which I got from Amazon. Very handy battery pack. So we'll plug it in here. And I'll just pause for a second again. Alright, so I just plugged it in the charger, the battery pack, and there's the charge sign. I assume the battery is completely drained, which is normal. But yeah, it is going to charge. Like I said, I will do a separate review video of the phone. Oh, actually it's half charged already. Look at that. So just a couple of things I want to mention. First of all, my first impression of this phone, at least physically looking at it, she's a beauty. A really beautiful phone. And by the way, I do have a case for it. I'll show you in a moment. These are the cameras. Now the thing is, you can buy camera protectors that go on top of these. Each individual camera, it's like a round shape, fits perfectly on top. The only thing is, I had one for the S20 Plus, the phone I'm using to film, and I noticed that moisture would get under it, and you know, pretty much once you take it off, you can't put it back on. So I may get the ones for this, and they're individual. The ones for the S20 Plus, it was one big cap that fit right over the cameras. And I'll show you the protective case. Not sure if this is anything specific, but yeah, beautiful phone. Really beautiful. Actually, this comes off. Oh, there you go. That was just a protective thing. So let's, I'll put the case on and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the phone case that I bought for the S22 Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This phone case is, I believe it's a Spigen brand. This is the same phone case that I'm using for the S20 that I have right now. Very good brand, very good, good reputation. I've had it for 2 years, the same phone case, and it's been pretty good. I haven't had any issues with it. So we're going to put this phone case on the phone, and we're going to see what it looks like with the phone case on in a moment. Alright, so yeah, when I put the phone case on, I inadvertently turned the phone on. I guess it hit a button. This is just a protective layer of plastic on the screen, so nothing to worry about. Yeah, so pretty solid phone case. Definitely is a heavier phone than what I had previously. The one I'm filming with the S20 Plus Ultra, or the Ultra. Yeah, so look, here it is, beautiful screen, and like I said, I'll know more once I try it out. But for now, I just wanted to unbox it and show my viewers what it looks like. And I'll put a link as well in the description so you can see for yourself what this phone looks like. And I'll also put a link for the phone I currently have, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, so you can see the comparison. One last thing I do want to mention, I'll talk more about my phone plan when I do the review. For the actual screen, they recommend a screen protector because I'm the kind of person, if there's one little scratch on the screen, it drives me nuts. I hate it, and it's so frustrating, you know. But the thing with the screen protector is, when they put it on, if there's one little piece of fluff or dust that's stuck underneath that screen protector, that's going to drive me nuts too. So, you know, it is what it is. I plan to be very careful with this phone. I'm not going to put it in the same pocket as my keys, for example, or anything that could scratch it. But yeah, definitely it's going to be really fun to try, and I'll show you my first video probably sometime this week. So thank you all for watching. Again, this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I will be reviewing the phone soon enough. Probably within a couple of days I'll put a video. Alright, have a good night everybody, and more videos to come.